Hi everyone. Welcome to Mind Guided Meditation. I'm Marissa. Thank you for taking the time out of your day today to sit and meditate with us. In our practice today, we'll be doing a meditation for physical pain. Just bringing awareness to any of this tightness or tension that we hold in the body and actively working through to release it and let it go. Finding a comfortable seat here. You can be on the ground, in a chair, or even laying down. However you feel most supported. And I invite you now to let your eyes gently close. Begin here by taking a few gentle breaths. Connecting in with the body. Beginning to notice the pace of your breathing. And if it feels comfortable, beginning to breathe deep into the abdomen. Perhaps holding one hand face down just above the belly button. Breathing into this place, filling it with soft, gentle air. And as we begin to calm the central nervous system with the breath, noticing the pace of the mind. The quality of thought. Is it racing? Maybe feeling a bit anxious from all the physical pain you've been holding. Or is it calm? Present and observing. Without judgment, just noticing the mind here. And letting the breath calm the thoughts. By bringing all of the attention into the body. Into the breath. Imagining now all thoughts from the day, all tension or tightness flowing down off the body like water pouring down the body and releasing. Letting go of any tension, any thoughts, things to do, and just letting them roll off the body here. Watching as they do so. Rolling down. Choosing instead to be right here. Completely calm and focused. Not trying to stop these thoughts, but just letting them run around you. Letting them swirl while you choose to be still. Connecting into the body. In a moment, we'll begin our body scan. I'd like you to imagine just watching as any tension, any tightness turns to water as we bring our attention to it, letting it roll off the body and away. So beginning now at your own pace, the top of the head, scanning down the body. And as we do so, just bringing awareness to each place, every individual muscle. Just observing any tension or tightness. And breathing into this place, welcoming softness.